Chennai. I completed my bachelor's degree in computer science and engineering at New Prince Bhavani College of Engineering and Technology. During my final years, I started my journey in Qspiders as an incubation student. So here I enrolled in my Java full stack testing course. So first I started with my SQL course. It was handled by Sanket sir. He taught me SQL in a very good manner, and the way of understanding is very better in this class. And then I started my Java course. So it was handled by Nandi sir. He was a great optimistic person, and he defined all the principles in Java in a very good manner. Then after completing my SQL course, I joined a manual testing course. It was handled by Chandrasekhar sir. So he started with a great energy and good spirit, and I started have a good interest in manual testing. Then after completing a mock, he gave me a chance in he thanked this Chrompet Qspiders to making my career so beautiful.